In recent years, bodybuilding and overall health and fitness have taken a more dominant role in teenagers today. So much so that even the class nerd you might all know will even find himself in the gym from time to time. I'm no exception to this craze. Nearly 2 years ago now, I started in the gym and I had to learn some harsh truths along the way. And the harshest of which is that nutrition is often just as important as the training itself. And for me, as somebody who doesn't eat too much in one sitting, this was a difficult thing for me to manage, and I had to get creative to get in my protein and my calories. So I first needed to answer three questions: the purpose of a shake that I'm making, the purpose of each ingredient, and the benefits of a shake that a shake can have on somebody. I needed I needed something that was easy to get down. I needed something that was easy to get down, had a lot of protein and a lot of calories, and also being cheap, not Mr. Moneybags. Saying what I needed the shake to do is one thing, but finding the ingredients to get it done is another thing entirely. So, with some help, I'll make the shake at the same time as discussing each ingredient. The first ingredient I needed was milk. Milk creates a good base and consistency for the shake, as well as having a good amount of calories and protein, not to mention the other nutrients that come with drinking milk. For the second thing I needed was the base flavor, which I chose strawberry and banana, being something I'm familiar with and still being tasty at the same time. Strawberries and bananas don't have the biggest impact on bodybuilding, but they are each nutrient dense fruits, and and bananas are known the potassium in bananas are known to help reduce muscle soreness after a workout. The next thing I wanted to add was peanut butter. Peanut butter is high in calories, in fats, and has some protein in it as well. You got to be careful with the peanut butter though. If you add too much, it can overpower every other flavor within the shake, and it's not the best tasting thing of all time. The next ingredient was yogurt. The flavor of the yogurt can vary. This one is strawberry, so it adds some calories. You get the overall benefits that you get when you eat yogurt, as well as it reinforces the strawberry flavor within the shake. Next ingredient, which is a fairly new ingredient, is ice cream. Unfortunately, the ice cream here has melted, but I discovered that you can add ice cream without having a huge change in flavor, and it still adds in those calories that come with eating ice cream. And the next and core ingredient is protein powder. Protein powder is obviously where most of the protein comes from within the shake. And depending on the brand and flavor that you get, it can help reinforce any flavor that you want and be a higher quality protein. Next is oats. Oats are calorically dense and also have a lot of carbs in them. Carbs are used by the body as fuel to energize you before workout or after, and also can be used as a building block for muscle within the body. And the final and most exotic ingredient in here is olive oil. So, olive oil is dense in calories and in fats to help you gain mass while having little to no effect on the flavor. Um, it's also known to be a subtle natural laxative, which can counteract the side effects of a high protein diet. The benefits of a shake for somebody is something that is low cost. It's highly variable. You can change pretty much any aspect of the shake to suit whatever goal you may need. Um, the main purpose the main purpose is to create an easy, affordable, and quick meal that is high in calories and protein. That's the goal I needed it to serve me, but it can be changed to serve many other goals. Each ingredient serves its own purpose to the end goal in this shake in particular. Um, the main points we went over today was the purpose of the shake, the purpose of each ingredient within the shake, and the benefits of the shake to one's self. Um, thank you.